Welcome to King Ornan, China's most professional aluminum profile lead supplier. Since our establishment in 2012, we've been leading the industry. From the exquisite ground step-on light series, innovative magnetic tracking series to practical wardrobe light series, King Ornan fulfills your unique design needs with thousands of styles. Step into our production line, a place filled with innovation and precision, where every process reflects our commitment to excellence. See how our team meticulously crafts each product. Their professionalism ensures that every item meets the highest standards. Our quality control never compromises. Each piece must pass rigorous tests, ensuring compliance with international certification requirements. Most profiles are in stock, so you don't have to worry about delivery time. Our inventory management system guarantees timely and accurate delivery. Innovation is one of our core values. Our R&D team continuously explores new designs and technologies to meet the ever-changing market demands. From placing an order to delivery, our professional team will closely follow up and keep you updated on prices and order status. Your satisfaction is our mission. Kingornan is more than a brand, it's a team pursuing innovation and excellence. We're committed to growing with our customers, always putting value creation first. Want to know more? Visit our website or contact us directly. King Ornan looks forward to working with you to create a brilliant future together.